Introducing the MTM-050-25 Torque Tester Universal from Flexible Assembly Systems. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO combines exceptional accuracy with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable asset in various industries. With a broad torque range of 5-50 and AUET/2.2 525 NLB, the AUET/NTM-050-25 caters to a multitude of testing requirements, from delicate electronics to heavy-duty industrial applications. The 1/4 drive size offers compatibility with a wide range of torque testing accessories, ensuring versatility and adaptability in your testing setup. The torque tester provides 3 operating modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to capture different torque values based on your specific needs. The adjustable auto-clear function enables you to set the desired clearance value, streamlining your testing process and improving efficiency. The inclusion of a repeatable joint simulator allows for consistent and accurate testing, ensuring reliable and repeatable results. With an accuracy of 0.5%, the AUET/NTM-050-25 guarantees precise and trustworthy measurements. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AUET/NTM-050-25 Torque Tester Universal. Its wide torque range, multiple operating modes, and user-friendly features make it an essential tool for quality control and testing professionals. Invest in this versatile torque tester and experience precision and reliability in your torque testing applications.